you're looking for a hat to keep you visible and safe while walking or cycling or just being outdoors on winter evenings when it gets dark, this Musselburgh hat has reflective thread knit into it. And to make that, I'm just going to open it up and show you. So Musselburgh is worked by casting on at one end, increasing, knitting a giant tube, and then decreasing at the other end. And to add in the reflective stripe, you can knit until you've got half of your overall length, and then join in the reflective thread, which looks like this, comes on a little spool. There are a couple of different thicknesses. This is the 0.5 millimeter thickness, which works really well held together with fingering or 4-ply weight yarn. And if you want to be visible in daylight as well, this is a great choice. This is the Uncommon Thread Tough Sock in High Vis Pink, and it's super bright. And you just hold the thread together with your yarn, treat them as one, and knit about 2 inches at 5 centimeters, or just until you've used up the whole 50-meter spool. And then you can drop the thread and complete the hat. And you can wear the finished hat in a couple of different ways. So if I just flip one end inside the other. If we do it this way around, then you can wear it as a slouchy hat and have this high vis or reflective strip at the bottom. And then if we turn the whole thing inside out, you can flip it up so that that reflective thread is on this folded band, and you've got extra cozy ears for everything you're doing outside in the dark on those cold winter nights. It's gonna be nice and visible and safe.